Hi viewers, welcome to this platform. My name is Elegant and I am glad to introduce to you my new TV show. Yeah, so this show promises to be fun, hilarious, educational, and most importantly, very romantic. I know you love that. So this show embodies romantic discussions and ideas, heart-to-heart talks, hook up, love stories, and so very much more. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go right now to our YouTube channel and subscribe to it. And do not forget to click on that notification bell behind it so you can get notifications on every episode we drop. And trust me, you are gonna enjoy every bit of this.